नमस्ते दोस्तों, इस वीडियो में हम जानेंगे ए अक्षर से शुरू होने वाले शब्द भाग 18, साथ ही उनका हिंदी अर्थ। तो चलिए वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। 1. Agonized, कष्टदायी, suffering intense pain or distress. 2. Agonizing, अति पीड़ा देने वाला, causing extreme physical or mental suffering. 3. Agonizingly, पीड़ा से, in an extremely painful or distressing manner. 4. Agony, व्यथा, extreme physical or mental suffering. 5. Agoraphobia, भीड़ से डर लगना, fear of open or crowded spaces. 6. Agraphia, अक्षमता, loss of the ability to write. 7. Agraphic, लेखन अक्षमता संबंधी, related to the inability to write. 8. Agrarian, कृषि संबंधी, related to agriculture or farming. 9. Agree, सहमत, to have the same opinion. 10. Agreeable, सहमत, pleasant or willing to agree. 11. Agreeableness, प्रियता, the quality of being pleasant or friendly. 12. Agreeably, चाव से, in a pleasant or enjoyable manner. 13. Agreed, सहमत, settled or approved by mutual consent. 14. Agreeing, सहमत, being in harmony or accordance. 15. Agreement, समझौता, a mutual understanding or contract. 16. Agrestic, ग्राम्य, rustic or rural. 17. Agribusiness, कृषि व्यवसाय, large scale farming and related commercial activities. 18. Agricultural, कृषि संबंधी, related to farming or cultivation. 19. Agriculture, कृषि, the practice of farming. 20. Agriculturist, कृषक, a person engaged in agriculture. 21. Agrippa, a historical name possibly referring to a Roman general. 22. Agrobiology, कृषि जीव विज्ञान, the study of plant nutrition and soil management. 23. Agromania, एकांत प्रियता, an intense desire to live in solitude or rural areas. 24. Agronomic, कृषि शास्त्रीय, related to the science of soil management and crop production. 25. Agronomist, कृषि विज्ञानी, an expert in agronomy. 26. Agronomy, कृषि विज्ञान, the science of soil management and crop production. 27. Aground, टिका हुआ, stuck on the bottom in shallow water. 28. Agrypnia, नींद न आना, insomnia or sleeplessness. 29. Agrypnotic, अनिद्रा से पीड़ित, suffering from sleeplessness. 30. Agua, पानी, water in Spanish. 31. Ague, जूड़ी, malarial fever marked by chills and sweating. 32. Aguish, जूड़ी बुखार का रोगी, suffering from ague or fever. 33. An exclamation of surprise, pain or pleasure. 34. Aha, shabash, an exclamation of triumph or discovery. 35. Ahab, a biblical name possibly referring to a king. 36. Ahead, आगे, in front or forward. 37. A horse, घोड़े की पीठ पर सवार, mounted on a horse. 38. Ahriman, पारसियों का शैतान, the spirit of evil in Zoroastrianism. 39. Ahura, a divine being in Zoroastrianism. 40. Aid, सहायता, help or support. 41. Aid, sahayogi, an assistant or helper. 42. Aid memoir, खत, a note or reminder. 43. Aiding, सहायता, providing help or support. 44. AIDS, acquired immune deficiency syndrome. 45. Agret, मीनाकारी, a jeweled ornament resembling a feather. 46. Aiguille, sui, a needle-like peak of rock. 47. Ail, बीमार होना, to suffer from illness. 48. Ailing, बीमार, sick or unwell. 49. Ailment, बीमारी, a minor illness. 50. Ailurophobia, विडालांतक, fear of cats.